Welcome to this video on Netforge LANGuardian and SolarWinds Orion integration. My name is Darren Delaney, I'm Head of Technical Services here at Netforge Technologies. I monitor my network here with SolarWinds Orion Network Performance Monitor. So on my home dashboard here, I picked up the CPU load on application servers running very high. I also have the same server here in my network map, which is displaying a red icon, so we've got a problem here. So I'm going to drill down on the particular event, and I'm trying to find out what's happening. So every CPU load on the server here has been running at 100% here for the last hour. And we can also see that here in the gauges. So further down here, I'm going to take a look at the traffic tune from the particular server. We've had 4.93 gigabytes of traffic. It's mostly web traffic to the server. And drill down in here and find out that actually it's a single laptop on my network that's connecting to that web server. So then I can drill down here on the websites that have been served up by this web server. It's been 4,000 hits to this site. And here we can see here then that over 4,000 hits have begun to a stress test page. So again we can drill down in here, and the same laptop that generated the traffic is responsible for all hits to that website. You can actually see the URI here, it's a stress test.html page. And we can keep drilling down in here if we want to get the exact date and time that those hits occurred. So very detailed information in here. So the next part of this video is in how can you get this type of information on your SolarWinds dashboards. So let's take a look at what's required to get the Netforge LANGuardian Integration Pack working with your SolarWinds Orion deployment. So first thing I need to do is to log on to my SolarWinds Orion server. So I'm actually going to access the web from this as well. Go to the website here, www.netforge.com. Off the home page here, we have a link to our SolarWinds integration page. And we have the option here then to download the integration pack. So you've got a zip file here, and you've also got the installation and user guide. So I've already downloaded that here to my server. So then I extract the files from this. And you need to extract them to your SolarWinds folder on under your inetpub directory. So under inetpub, SolarWinds, you just need to extract them to there. Now I've already done this earlier as well, so you just click on OK and it'll extract the files. It takes a couple of seconds to do that. Once you have that complete, you're finished on your SolarWinds server. So on your Orion console then, you need to type in a particular URL. It's documented in the user guide. You give a LANGuardian username and password and the IP address of LANGuardian. Once you have that complete then, go back to my homepage here in Orion. I drill down on the CPU or the server event here. I click on Customize Page, click on the plus sign, scroll down here to the Netforge Node Details View options, and on the page I'm going to put the top websites served, top IP protocols. So if you're troubleshooting especially a web server problem, there are 2 good reports to add. Click on Submit, click on Done, and you're complete. So down at the bottom here now, which we saw earlier on, just loading up at the moment, we've got our traffic profile for this server and also what web pages have been served up by this particular server. So that's it up and running here, and I can troubleshoot, in this case, this web application problem.